Hey guys, this is Bumblebee Boo Boo 1, and I'm just making a video to show you my sewing machine that I got. It has 35 stitches, and let's turn it on here, and it has a light, and I can sew very well. Let's say if I want to sew this, if I want to sew this, then what I would do is I'd put it right there, put the presser foot down, step the pedal on, and and you lift the presser foot up here, lift it up, and then there you go. And then what you're gonna do with this, cut it right there with the cutter, and then there you go, it's sewed. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I just want to give you a quick sneak peek on a puppet that's going to be in this week's puppet show on the Puppet Show Series 1 link. And yeah, he's going to be on the Puppet Show Series 1. He's a dragon. His name's Drake the Dragon. Okay, so thanks. See you guys later.